Introducing the breakthrough clip-on microscope, new from Science Wiz. The clip-on microscope is a truly revolutionary new product. It works with any smartphone or tablet. The built-in resolution of the lens is 200 to 400x optical without needing to adjust a thing. And when paired with your device, it enhances anywhere from 500 to 1000 digital. Using the microscope is very simple. First, align the slide onto the microscope using the clips. And then, turn on your camera, and then align the lens over the camera lens. You'll see it right on your screen. And then take a picture. Then you've got it saved in your photos. You can use either camera. Using your built-in camera zoom, you can zoom in and get higher resolution. There's no additional adjustment, simply using your camera app. Take the picture and it's saved. The clip-on microscope will be available starting in the spring of 2018 with a retail price of $29.99. There are also sets of slides. Make your own slides, as well as prepared slides with animal biology, plant biology, and bug biology. Be sure to order now from Science Wiz.